Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my first natural hair tutorial, if you want to call it that. I will just be showing you guys how I've been wearing my hair for the last couple of days. As you guys can see, I got my hair dyed probably like a couple weeks ago. So I just been wearing it like this. So if you want to know how cheap this looks, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the products that I use. Some of these I don't use every day, but I have my brush, I got my comb that I use to detangle, I have the Eco Style gel. I don't use this every day, but most of the time I use this. I use this moisturizer lotion every day. It's Olive Miracle from African Pride. I use this every day on my hair. And I have the Wild Rose Hair Oil. I use this every day too. Of course, I have my water bottle. I don't use this every day, but when I try to like get my curls, I use Curls Unleashed. It's like a cream, and I use that. And I have some rubber bands and scrunchies, and I have my edge brush. So I have this towel because I have this color, and it gets all over me. And if I have some gloves on, I'll reuse on my hands, but my hands are gonna get red, pink, or whatever. But I'm not a hair person, but this is just how I've been wearing my hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I've been wearing it for the past couple of days. So of course I'm gonna start with the water, and if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. So I usually try to start with the bun, the top first, and not do the back leg. So I'm just gonna start with this part. So I've been wearing it with the bun, and this just been down. So I'm just gonna start with the front first. So after I wet it, I just go in with my moisturizer lotion, put it on. Only like, but so then I just take my comb and comb through it to get the kinks out, which I'm pretty sure it's some in here. So this is what my hair looking like right now. I just combed it. And I try to keep these separate from next to this. Is the dry part, so because I haven't did that yet, so I might need to clean this up real quick so I get to it. I'm gonna put that in a little ponytail, so I'm done with this part. So now I'm going to put a little Wild Growth oil in it. I just like put this on my edges and put it throughout my hair. So I have like this little thin spot here. And I have like a little over here. It's what I've been using on it. Wow, this stuff is real good. It's real oily though, so yeah. Cause this stuff right here is real thick, and it's it's like that. It's like this. So I'm gonna use it cause it's gonna use your hair light. Smells good though, so. I got type 4C hair, so it don't curl a lot, but when it do curl, I just usually put some of this in. It's not really this done. So that's what it looks like. So now let's move on to the back. So as y'all can see, it's not as slick, but look. So we're just gonna move on to the back. So back to the moisturizer lotion. I'm gonna use a little of this just so I could try to, like, you know, do it a little curly. So now I'm just gonna do my edges a little bit, y'all. I'm not the best edge doer, but we're gonna. So y'all, this is the finished look. So you guys let me know what y'all think down in the comments. This is just how I've been wearing it for the last couple of days. Since I took my hot pop down, I just been wearing it like this. It's just a little quick something that I've been doing because it don't take a lot of time at all. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to follow all my social media links down below in the description box. And make sure to go watch my recent videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.